You might recognize the SEIKO SNK809 as one of the most popular watches offered by SEIKO. There is nothing inherently extravagant about this watch at first glance, but the SNK speak to the heritage of the SEIKO brand. The SEIKO 5 designation refers to the prestigious innovation that SEIKO brought to the watch industry. The SEIKO 5 refers to the 5 attributes that made it stand out during the 1960s. An automatic movement, the day and date display in the single windows, water resistant, the resist crown, and durable case and bracelet. However, what makes the SNK so appealing to the consumer today is its price range. You can find the SEIKO SNK809 and its other color models from about $50 to $100 from various retailers. Now, let's talk about the specification of this watch. The case diameter of this watch without crown is 37mm, thickness is 11, and lug width is 18mm, and lug-to-lug width is 43mm. It is a automatic movement with a crystal Hardlex and a power reserve of approximately 40 hours. The dial. It has a black dial with white printed Arabic numbers marking the hours on the inner circle and minutes on the outer circle. You'll find the day-date complication at 3 o'clock, which can either be set in English or Spanish. The dial is pretty much a flat affair with the expectation of the 5-minute marker bumps on the outer circle and the immediately recognizable SEIKO 5 logo. The SEIKO use a 7S26 automatic winding movement combines simplicity with reliability. It's fitted with 21 jewels and beats at 21,600 beats per hour, with a standard deviation of -20 to +40 seconds a day. The 7S26 isn't the most accurate of movement, but it's pretty reasonable for its price point. As you can see, the watch fit nicely in my hands. It's not too big and not too small with my 7 inches wrist. So what can I say about this watch? It's classic, timeless, and it's elegant. For me, this watch is very suit to my personality, and it's give me more confidence when wearing it. So, let me know what is your first automatic watch. Leave the comment below and let's talk about it. Thank you and subscribe.